Da-dam. Good morning. Morning. Let's get some focus here properly. Are we there? Good. We don't have a lot of battery, so we have to work on this one really fast. So, best perk. Number one perk of being a police officer. Bet you can't guess. No, I guess sometime. Bet you can't guess. The number one perk of being a police officer. I know there are police officers watching me even right now, and you can't guess the number one perk that you have. Nope. Not the traffic stops. It's not the immunity. Not being immune. The immunity of traffic spots, traffic stops. That is not it. Woman, you get what it? No, that's not it neither. Letting a party free? No, that is not it. Not the traffic stop immunity, not the whole heap of woman. Dupe. Come again, try again. You can't think of no more perks you have? Yo, the amount of perks that come with being a police officer, it's unbelievable. But the number one perk, guys, and trust me, whether wherever in the system you are, whether you're in training or whatever, you do well to remember this, right? As a member of the JCF, being a part of government, being a police officer, people, every single body takes you seriously. People take your ideas seriously. People are willing to listen to you. That is the number one perk of being a police officer. Now, I don't care where the crime rate gone sky high, the dirty reputation of the JCF, whatnot. You see, the individual police, you seek a kind of audience with whoever, them all of that get thrown out of the window. Your physical appearance, as long as you're well put together, you know how to articulate yourself and, be confident. Not overly confident where you seem as if you're a cocky person. But, you present yourself like a person that knows what they're saying. You don't need nothing else. That, my friend, is the number one perk of being a police officer. People listen to you. Anything, any ideas you want to share with whoever, they are willing to listen. Them are going to back you, and that is the number one perk. Don't make nobody tell you nothing else. If you have, and this works for the persons who say that they're going to be a police officer, or they're going to join the JCF because they want the most out of it. This is one of the perks, or this is the perk that you need to be mindful of more than anything. Pitch your ideas, man. People willing to support you because guess what? You have the backing of the government. Yeah. So don't make nobody tell you anything, guys. And probably said it a while ago, let me say it again. This was one of the perks that I wish I was more mindful of whilst being a police officer. People listen to you. People take your ideas seriously. If you want a lot of land over there, so if you start with something, people will say, yes, it can work. As opposed to the normal civilian, I go over there and say, sure, someone has no discipline. Someone has to start halfway and done or making emotions get in it and rare. I mean, this is common among police officers, but I don't know why life works like this. The moment you have on a uniform, people trust that you will go ahead and do what you're doing with a stable head. And that, my friend, is the perk. Best perk of being a police officer. Anything, any idea where you have, anything where you want to pursue, as a matter of fact, you take up the camera and you learn about it and start filming like I did. You see, the moment you can present work that is professional, is like you not even need a degree anymore. It's like you not even need a documentation. Being a police officer now makes you certified for filming and all of that. And people want to give the documentation to say yes, I'm actually certified in this. You get me? So yeah, guys, take it from me. One ex-police, I tell you this. The number one perk, not the immunity to traffic stops. Not the fact that you can get to a whole heap of woman. As a matter of fact, the part where you can get a whole heap of woman coming beneficial now is that, you probably are your business and you have to go to work. Call them man and send them on. They're not going to ask you why. Them just are going to deal with it. And them are going to proud to deal with it. Them are just feel nice to deal with it. And them are call and say, oh, that deal with. And, thank you and you treat them and them kind of something. But apart from that, having a whole heap of woman, yeah, other people can do that, not being a police officer, you get me? But the fact say, people listen to you when you talk, whatever idea you pitch, you want to write one book, you want to do this, anything you want to do, It's like people just automatically just believe in it and believe say you can't do it. Then believe say oh yeah, like me don't know. Probably them people look at the normal civilian and say oh them not have the discipline, they don't have the temperament. But you know, upon the flip side, I kind of hear say police brutality and all of that. It work out strange. You get me? But as the individual constable, it's like you shed all of the history of the JCF when you present yourself like as a single constable to someone. And dependent on how you look, how you put yourself together, like it just throw all of the history of the JCF out the window and you're left with just what a police is expected to be. You get me? So, yeah man. Number one perk of being a police officer, people listen to you, people take your ideas seriously. And that concludes this video. So thank you for tuning. If you make it this far, definitely leave a like on the video. We'll soon have some production level cinematography filming over here. And of course, my content won't be surrounded around just policing things. But you know, because it's a part of my history, part of my life, you get me? So once in a while, I can drop my 2 cents or some of the things that would be beneficial to persons going in the JCF and, you know, wouldn't. Because I got through it already, so yes, it would be beneficial to persons who are just going in there. So you don't have to make the mistakes that I made. So yeah, production level, all of that, dig up on yourself, little more. Larry God, what we're watching today.